Right then folks, this is my second attempt at doing this video. Welcome back to Regent Centre. We've just got metro replacements on today between Regent Centre and North Shield. 6102 from North Shield. We've got the Holy Communion of bus drivers, folks. About 4 of them here at the same time. I believe some issues with the running boards. Probably. It would explain why there's 2 here that have been here for over 20 minutes. Probably even longer, because we arrived and they were here. There was the bus I was going to get, which is pulled into stand. We're going to bring in the 45 daft as a brush. Someone tried to change that on bus times around a few months back and said it was debranded. No, it isn't. It's had that branding for a couple of years now. It will not lose that branding unless they miraculously decide to repaint them, but I can't see it happening personally. I swear Arriva had like an age limit on repainting buses. Yeah, the taxis just casually wandered into the bus station. Twat. Advertising kids go free that's been brought back for another year.